Now I'll show you a second way to make the bottom panel. It's a much easier way. Now if you turn the pants inside out, like that, and we're going to sew straight across the bottom, and then later we'll sew one more seam to give it a boxed look. You won't have that extra heavy bottom that you get when you make the bottom panel, but you'll still have that squared off look on the bottom. Okay, now you want to take the side, so you've sewn the bottom panel like that, and kind of open it up like this, so you get a triangle at the side seam. It looks like this. There's your bottom seam, and you get you make a triangle like this, and we're going to sew across there. Now that, wherever you sew it is going to be how wide the bottom is going to be. So you want it to be about a 3 or 4 inch wide. So I'm going to sew the corner here, and we can open up the bottom, being very careful as you go through the thicknesses, slowly going over the very thick parts, and you can reinforce right there. And now when you turn that right side out again, you get a nicely squared off bottom.